Hi guys, welcome to my next lecture. Today I'll be teaching you how to create pivot table briefly. In the previous lecture I told you a glimpse of that. So to understand pivot tables more, you need to work with them yourself. The sample data here contains 452 records with 5 fields, that is date, color, units and sales. We also got region here. So to start off, select any cell in the data, then go to insert, then click on pivot table. In the previous video I taught you how to create pivot table in new worksheet. So in this video I'll take an existing worksheet. So I'll just click on existing worksheet. I want to locate it in M12, so I'll click on that cell M11, then click on OK. So on the M11 cell you will see your pivot table. On the right hand side we have got fields like date, color, region, units and sales. So first we'll drag the sales field to the values. You can see the grand total of sales, that is 26,356. Then we'll drag color in rows. You can see in the row labels we have got colors blue, green, red and silver. You will notice the grand total remains 26356. This makes sense because we are still reporting on the full set of data. Pivot tables can apply and maintain number formatting automatically to numeric fields. This is a big time saver when data changes frequently. Now I'll tell you how to just add currency to this number. We'll click any of the numbers, then right click on that, then go to number format. Then we'll click on currency. Make sure you have 0 decimal places. Then click OK. You will see the changes here that as we have got $sign in each number. We also got a new function that is sort. You can click any of the cells in sum of sales. Right click on that. Click on sort. We can sort this data from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. So I want in smallest to largest, so I'll click on smallest to largest. You can see here the difference. We have got red in the first place as we have very less sales of that color, then green, then silver, then blue. I also want to tell you that to get more information from where this data come from, you can double click on that cell. You can see here we have got the main data from which we have taken the pivot table. So I'll just quickly go back to the pivot table. For example, we take region in column labels. So you can see here that in north region the red color sales is 2028, in south it is 1126, 1640. Similarly the data goes on and the grand total is still the same. I'll just quickly go back, reset the region, reset everything. So yeah, I hope you guys learned what I have taught you. I'd like to see you in my next class where I'll be teaching more about this topic, where I'll dig into this topic. Till then, goodbye.